Hello, good evening, students. Welcome to Net Psychology. Today, I would like to bring awareness regarding to assertion and reason questions. In paper 1 and paper 2 also you find assertion and reason questions. So these kind of questions generally we see in paper 1, paper 2 also. Most of the questions are typically difficult questions because these are concept based questions. First, what you need to do is you need to read carefully assertion. So once your assertion is clear, then definitely your reasoning ability, that's assertion question and reasoning question, can match. There are four options. So generally assertion and reason, which are both are following, generally you put A. Sometimes the options will maybe different. So you need to be careful what kind of options are given. A, B, C, D options are there. Sometimes A and B also correct, but both assertion also correct, but B is not following A. So sometimes this is the options. Sometimes A is correct, assertion is correct, and C is false. Then we put option C generally if it is A, B, C, D. But most of the cases what happens, sometimes they change the options. So you need to be very careful about. And how can one handle the assertion and reason questions? According to me, the practice. The more practice you do assertion and reason questions, the more you will get. The chances are very high. You will get, suppose if the 10 questions in the paper, you will get 7 to 8 questions easily if your practice is good. So sometimes even though you feel you missing something, you are not understand totally, and that time what we have to do is please carefully read the assertion. If you find assertion is correct, so then there are a lot of chances to the reason is also correct, but try to look into that whether the both are matching somewhere around. Sometimes it is very difficult to find out the A and B, because if the assertion is correct and reason is also correct, that is B questions. There is no chances that even there is no way, or there is less chances maybe the reason is not following R. So then it is R is not following A, but both statements are correct, and that cases you can put the B. So very carefully handle the assertion and reason. Go do lot of practice previous papers, assertion reason questions. It really save your time. It really helps. आपको बहुत मदद हो जाएगा. So please go through that and practice that kind of questions. You will get minimum 10 marks, minimum 7 to 8 questions correctly. So this is my channel. I am UGC Net channel. I am using this through